Chapter 10. Birds Around Us. One day, Mrs. Verma took her class to a nearby garden. She asked the children to sit quietly and listen to the different sounds around them. The children saw different kinds of birds and heard following sounds: chirping of birds, cooing of cuckoo, cawing of crow, cooing of doves. Then Mrs. Verma told the class to observe the birds quietly, find out their names and colors and write them in your notebooks, and collect the feathers lying on the ground. Arrange the feathers in two groups consisting A. Big feathers, B. Small feathers. Draw the picture of a bird and write its various parts. The children learned many new things about birds. Birds have special features that help them fly. These are: 1. They have light hollow bones. 2. Their wings help them take off. 3. They have boat-shaped body. 4. They have strong muscles. Did you know birds' feathers are made of the same material as human hair? Birds' feathers. Birds have 3 types of feathers. Down feathers are short, light and fluffy feathers which covers the bird's body. They keep the bird's body warm. Body feathers cover the rest of the body and give shape to the bird. Flight feathers are large in size and found on wings and tail. They help the bird to fly and change direction while flying. Bird's beak. Birds do not have teeth. They eat food with the help of their beak. Different birds have different types of beak, depending upon the food they eat. Bigger birds like eagle have strong, sharp and hooked beak to catch smaller birds and animals, kill them and tear their flesh. From the shape of the beak, it is easy to guess what type of food the birds eat. Remember, birds clean their feathers with their beaks. This is called preening. Birds' food. Small birds eat worms, seeds, grain, fruits, insects, etc. Big birds like eagle and kite are hunters. They eat small animals like mice. Birds like kingfisher and pelican eat fish. Vultures and crows eat flesh of dead animals. Remember, some birds cannot fly. These birds are called flightless birds. For example, emu and ostrich. Birds' feet and claws. Big birds like eagle and kite have strong claws to hold their prey. Stork and crane have long thin legs to stand in water. Sparrow, crow and other perching birds have thin long claws to hold branches. Birds like ducks have webbed feet to swim in water. Birds like penguin have large tough webbed feet to walk on ice. Some special facts about birds. The tailor bird sews leaves together to make a nest. The weaver bird weaves grass for making its hanging nest. The woodpecker pecks on the tree trunk to find food and make holes to stay in. The parrot can be trained to talk. The kookaburra makes a laughing sound. It is called the laughing bird. The owl is a night bird. It can see at night. Some special birds. The dove is special because it is a symbol of peace. The peacock is special because it is the national bird of India. In ancient times, pigeons carried letters like a postman. Let's recall. Birds have special features that help them to fly. Birds have 3 types of feathers. Birds do not have teeth. They eat food with the help of their beak. Birds use their claws to catch its prey, to protect themselves from its predator and for movement.